Printify is a website that prints on products and sends them directly to your customers. That way you don't need to have an inventory. This is good for beginners who want to start an online store without holding inventory or spending too much money on products they don't know if they will sell. Printify has different providers that makes and print the products and then send them directly to your customers after they buy from you. So you need to pay for each product they send, sometimes before the money from the sale hits your bank. You do need some extra money if you want to do print on demand with your own store, especially if you plan to open the store on websites like Etsy or eBay, which hold your money from the sale until the customer gets a product. This can take time, so you pay for the product but don't receive the money until a certain time has passed. Go to Printify website, the link is in the description. You have the option to sign in. Then sign in with a Google account or email and password. After that, you get some questions about your experience with print on demand. I think they want to know what people do with their account and why they signed up for Printify. So don't overthink the answers. Just write what's true for your situation. After that, you get to your dashboard. On the left side, you have a menu with all the things you can do. You can click on the catalog and start create any product you like. Or you can connect a store and then start adding designs to this store. If you want to know more about how to create products and sell them, you can watch this video next. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.